Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious creamy chicken tortellini recipe. This is a cheesy, creamy, comforting meal perfect for this time of the year. Let's get started. We're using chicken breast tenderloins for this recipe, and I've gone ahead and cut them up into bite-sized pieces. We're going to start by seasoning the chicken with some spices. So in this bowl we have salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. All measurements of ingredients will be in the description box. Mix the spices together, then put it on the chicken. Go ahead and mix the chicken in with the spices. Once the chicken has been very well seasoned, we're going to cook it. Drizzle some olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil gets very hot, add the chicken. Spread the chicken into a single layer, then cook it for a total of about 6 minutes. Make sure you allow the bottom side to cook and brown, then turn them over and allow the other side to cook and brown. Once the chicken has finished cooking, remove from the pan, then set aside for later. Next, turn your heat down to medium, then melt some butter in the pan. Once the butter has melted, we're going to add some sliced, sun-dried tomatoes. We're also adding minced garlic. Then we're going to mix everything together and let the sun-dried tomatoes and garlic cook for about 30 seconds. Then add some chicken broth. Stir in the chicken broth. The chicken broth will help deglaze all the brown bits at the bottom of the pan and mix with the sauce to add flavor. Next, we're going to add some heavy cream, Italian seasoning, paprika, then season with salt and black pepper. Go ahead and whisk everything together. Once everything is very well mixed in, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. Mix the cheese in, then allow the sauce to simmer gently for about a minute. That way all the flavors can come together. Next, we're going to add the cooked chicken. We're also going to add some chopped baby spinach. And then in this bowl we have some cheese tortellini. We're also going to add those right in. Go ahead and mix everything together. Once mixed in, we're going to allow everything to gently cook for 5 minutes. Make sure you stir periodically, that way it doesn't burn. And whenever you're not stirring, be sure to place a lid over it. This is what it looks like when everything is fully cooked. The creamy sauce has thickened very well. Everything is looking delicious and the aroma is so good. This creamy chicken tortellini recipe came out so good. It's very creamy and comforting. The chicken is very tender. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.